Are you trying to decide between Holafly and Saily for your travel needs? Let's break it down. Today, we're comparing two popular options for travelers, Holafly and Saily. Both tools help you stay connected while exploring new places, but they do it in different ways. Holafly offers eSIMs that let you access data in various countries without needing a physical SIM card. It's designed for easy setup and instant connectivity. You can enjoy fast internet as soon as you land. On the other hand, Saily provides portable Wi-Fi hotspots. With Saily, you can rent a device that gives you internet access on multiple devices at once. It's great for families or groups traveling together. Now, let's look at the main differences. Holafly is more convenient for solo travelers or those who want a quick solution. You just download the eSIM and you're good to go. Selly, however, is ideal for those who need a reliable connection for several devices. When it comes to features, Holafly usually offers various data plans based on your travel duration. Selly provides unlimited data options but requires you to carry a physical device. In terms of pricing, Holafly generally has a straightforward pay as you go model. Selly may have rental fees plus a daily rate, which can add up depending on your trip length. So, who should choose what? If you want simplicity and speed, go for Holafly. But if you are traveling with a group and need multiple connections, Sally is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.